Hi there, everyone. This is Dr. Jozlowski, a subject matter expert and designer of this Social Work 336 social policy course. I hope you found it to be challenging in a good way, I hope it's helped you learn a little bit more about how social policy impacts the micro and macro level of social work. We're going to finish out this week looking at how social policy impacts the older population. We've kind of aged through the course a little bit. Uh, and it's going to follow the same pattern as the other weeks, which means we have a reading to do in our textbooks. You're going to have a devotional about the power of age. You're going to have a discussion board about policies and programs for the elderly, and then you're going to finish up your social policy paper by adding in an analysis of the policy, and that kind of puts it all together in one great key assessment. Then you do your final quiz. It's open book, so you're going to do fantastic. And if you want that 10 extra points, you can do the end of course survey that's available too. I pray that each of you use this information as you go forward, and that you become the social worker that God designed you to be to serve the hurt people of this world. Peace.